To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to my Startup TV.
Web Technologies is a design company. We provide all design hardware and software design solutions like electronic product design, PCB design, embedded system design, VLSI design services, and IoT services, 3D enclosure design, artificial intelligence based solutions, and mobile app development solutions, website development, search engine optimization solutions. Like that, we provide services. We are based out of Mohali, Ambala, and Karnal, Haryana and Punjab.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to my Startup TV.
In SecureTech, we are trying to solve a problem wherein we have seen that there are dynamic changes in the cybersecurity industry. Now, the bigger question is how to identify all those breaches that the new cyber attacks are happening globally. We at SecureTech are using AI and ML technologies to identify all those events, security events which are happening on a regular basis within your entire IT infrastructure, and using AI and ML technology, we are able to identify all those events within your infrastructure, and this will create an attack and within your infrastructure, and we are able to identify all those attacks, and in a real time we can share these attack as an incident to our customer or to automatically respond to those attacks as well. And this AI and ML technology we are using to identify all those hidden parameters within your infrastructure. Which can be a hindrance to identify all those breaches within your infrastructure.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to my Startup TV.
Invenix is a UK founded company with offices in London, India and Canada. So we are a tech focused company, both into products and solution. So we have recently, like yesterday, we launched an app for the Indian market called Apna AI. So this is an app which is trying to solve the problem of bringing AI to the end user, to the last mile of users, right from the urban users to the people in the rural areas. So the problem that we're trying to solve is at this today's world where AI is rapidly kind of evolving and kind of becoming like the superpower, we feel that the common people of India may be left behind, or it may be too late for them to get used to AI before AI can start coming in the way of their jobs or things like that. So I think it's the right time for them to feel empowered to use AI so that they can be ready for the future workforce. So with this in mind, we are trying to solve this problem where we want to create an app, a multilingual app for India, where they can easily use AI, not really bothering about the complexities of how to use it, but using it for both for the fun element, but also for some specific use cases like legal or like looking for funding opportunities from the government and things like that. So with that in mind, we have launched an app. It's a mobile app available on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, which anyone can download. And this app is now available in 4 languages: English, Hindi, Bengali and Marathi, and more languages to come soon.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to my Startup TV.
we are a data-centric AI company. And what I mean by that, that a lot of companies which are trying to build AI usually struggle with the training data sets. That how do you make the AI accurate? How do you make sure that the AI complies with ethical requirements and the responsible AI requirements? So that is where the data which is being used to train the AI model plays a very vital role. We as a company has been helping the AI teams to collect these data sets. We also provide a platform where the data can be anonymized to take care of the privacy concerns and the sensitive information which needs to be protected. It also comes with a programmatic data labeling platform which can be used to keep the whole AI training process much more efficient and scalable to support some of the largest problems that needs to be solved with AI. So that's what we have been doing for AI teams globally.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to My Startup TV.
We are working towards AI for all, where every domain area we are implementing AI, we are integrating AI without writing even a single line of code. That is a problem we are solving, because in this particular world of artificial intelligence, most of the innovations are happening with the programming language in the background, whether it is Python programming, whether it is C programming, whether it is XYZ programming language. So people are working, writing codes and developing the solutions. But what about other domain area students or professionals, like people from agriculture, people from pharmaceutical sciences, people from management, people from marketing, people from law, people from commerce and basic sciences? These are the people who are forming the chunk of our education system, but they are left out from the AI stream altogether. So let us help them out. Mystic Mind is working very hard to integrate AI in their domain area with very specific inputs without writing even a single line of code. They can implement the complete AI project and they can solve their problems themselves without depending on any IT professional to help them out with the data insights. They can do it themselves. That is where Mystic Mind come into picture. So here we have various modules available, like we do have workshops, hands-on workshops, where they will be working on their domain area, their use cases, their data set, their success. Similarly, they can go for 1 to 6 months of internship and 6 months of online certificate course.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to My Startup TV.
It is primarily working on imaging diagnostics for breast cancer grading. For any cancer treatment, especially for breast cancer grading, the CAP report is needed, grading report is needed, which is identifying the severity and abnormality of the breast cancer on pathology images. It is called histology grading. Our system automates entire cancer grading, the pathology automation workflow, which include multiple biomarkers. So we get the digital biopsy slides from the hospital, which will need to be digitized using our AI pipeline. Our system identifies the abnormalities and everything, and it gives the CAP report, which is reducing the time frame of, right now it is 5 to 7 days, which is reducing to 45 minutes. That's the automation kind of automation we work on. It is a B2B platform, which helps hospitals and labs, cancer hospitals, pathology labs, cost and time. So this is our system.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to My Startup TV.
Tuke is basically a IoT based company